Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial form validation using JavaScript. In the last tutorial we have seen how we can validate email addresses on the client side. In this tutorial we'll see how we can help our users to create a strong password using JavaScript and regular expressions. The standard format for a strong password is the password must be of at least 8 characters first. It must contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numeric characters and special characters. So this is the standard format for a strong password. Now we will use the regular expression as we have used in the email address validation. We will define all these rules using a regular expression. Then we will compare the user provided password with the regular expression, and if the password matches with the format, then we will accept that password. Otherwise we will alert the user with the standard format, that is, the password must contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numeric characters, special characters, and it must be of at least 8 characters. Let's see. Now here in the regex 101 I have created a regular expression for you. This is a bit complex regular expression, so we'll directly see it, it's working, how it works. First, this define that the password must be of at least 8 characters or more than 8 characters. The minimum length is of 8 characters. Then it must have the numeric characters. Then this defines that it must have the special characters. Here we have defined all the special characters. Then it must have uppercase letters. Here we have defined uppercase letters, and it must have the lowercase letters, but the position is not fixed. We can use numeric characters at the beginning, or we can use the uppercase letters at the beginning, or we can use the small case letters, or we can use the special characters also in the beginning. So the position is not fixed. We can use any character at any position. Let's see how it works. Now for example, if I enter only numeric characters, then it will not match. If I enter numbers and with some small characters, then also it will not match. I have to add special characters also, and I have to add the uppercase letters also. Also, if the password has all the special characters, uppercase letters, numeric characters, but its length is less than 8 characters, then it will not match. See, the length is 7, so it is not matching. So it must be of at least 8 characters. We can have more than 8 characters also. So we will use this regular expression. First, let's check out the strength of the password. Copy this password, and here I have a Gmail account opening form. Let's see how strong enough the password is. As you can see that the password strength is strong. So we have defined the rules which will help the users to create strong passwords. So we will use this regular expression in our JavaScript code. This is the password field, and here we have the code for that field. Input type password. It has an ID password, and we will use this ID to grab the user entered password from the field. Let's write some JavaScript code which will do that work of validating the password. Create a new function validate validate, sorry, first add the script tag, and then the function keyword, function, then validate password, name of the function. Then the function uses an argument like we have used in the previous tutorials, field id of the input field, field id. And then it's now first attach this to the input field. We will use the same DOM event on blur is equal to double quotes, then add the validate password function, then pass the parameter in single quotes, which is the id of the input field password. Now let's write the code. First take the value from the field in a variable my password is equal to document dot get element by id is passed through the field id argument, so we will write that in this parenthesis, then dot value. This will take the user entered password from the field and save in the my password variable. Then we'll process it with the trim function, as we have seen in the previous tutorials. My password is equal to my password dot trim. Then first we will check that the user has entered some information or the field is empty. If the field is empty, then we will alert the user. If my password is equal to empty, or my password is equal to null, then alert the user with the message alert, please enter the password. Now if the user has entered some information, then we will see that the entered password is matching with the specified format, that is the rules we have created and the regular expression that we have created. And if it is matching with the format, then we will accept that password, else we will alert the user to create another password which is matching with our rules. Else if my password, or first the not symbol, my password not matches dot match, here we'll add that regular expression. Copy this, then first add 2 slashes here, then add the regular expression. Now this statement, the match function, matches this regular expression with the value in this variable, and if it not matching, if the value in the my password variable not matches with the regular expression, then we will alert the user with the message alert the password must contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, special characters, and it must be of at least 8 characters. This is the message, which is the format of the strong password that we have defined in our rules. Save this. Now let's see it works or not. First refresh the page. Now as you can see, as the password field is empty, the message is please enter the password. Now if I enter only numeric characters, then now see, the password must contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, special characters, and it must be of at least 8 characters. Okay, if I enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, I have entered numbers, but it is not matching with the format. So the message is again displayed because it doesn't contain any uppercase letter, lowercase letter, special characters. Let's enter some password according to the format: a special character, an uppercase letter, then some lowercase letters, then some numbers. Now let's see. As you can see, there is no message because the password is according to the format. Now let's delete one character. As you can see, because the length of the password is not 8 characters, it must be of at least 8 characters. Okay, so this code helps the user to create a strong password. We'll meet in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.